Hi, today is Sunday, August 10th, 2025. This article was introduced to me by my American friend Luke Viano, who is in Shangrao, southern China, in Fujian province, I think. He's a very good guy. He has a very nice, deep voice. He can do the voiceover actor, but he has other acknowledgments, such as he graduated from Johns Hopkins University, majoring in mathematics and philosophy, and he has the master's degree in philosophy at the University of Steubenville. And so he is very good at mathematics and also philosophy. He's a good guy. He has nice voice. His English vocabulary is excellent because he is a philosopher. He was about to become a philosophy professor, but somehow luck didn't strike him well, so he's now in China teaching English and mathematics. He was in Korea for close to 10 years before, so we became friends, right? He's a good guy, and this article was introduced to him via Facebook. So let's find out what the article is about. It's about mathematics history. This article was originally written by Forgotten Stories group, or the page. In the 3rd century BC, long before satellites or global positioning, a Greek scholar named Erastothenes decided to measure the size of the Earth. He didn't climb mountains or sail across oceans. He used something far more powerful, his mind. Erastothenes had heard that on the summer solstice in the city of Syene, modern-day Aswan, the sun stood directly overhead, so perfectly that it illuminated the bottom of a deep well. But in Alexandria, hundreds of kilometers to the north, the sun still cast shadows on that very same day. That difference sparked a question. Could the angle of those shadows reveal the size of the Earth? He measured the angle of the shadow in Alexandria, about 7.2 degrees, or 1/50th of a full circle. If that small segment represented 1/50th of the Earth's total curve, and the distance between the cities was 5,000 stadia, then multiplying that distance by 50 would give the full circumference, right? The result, around 40,000 kilometers, nearly perfect, depending on which unit of stadium he used. Over 2,000 years before GPS, Erastothenes came within a tiny margin of the real number. But he didn't stop there. He estimated the Earth's axial tilt to within half a degree of the modern value. He coined the word geography. Wow. Erastothenes. He even designed an early world map using latitude and longitude, centuries before the world would fully grasp its genius. He proved something timeless. You don't need fancy tools to understand the universe. You just need curiosity, logic, and a little sunlight. Well done, Erastothenes. He never left Egypt, but 2,200 years ago, he measured the earth with nothing but a stick, a whale and his brain. Now, I wonder how he measured the distance between Aswan, right, Siam, and Alexandria, right? How? It's a 5,000 kilometers. How he measured the 5,000 kilometers, right? Did he use the mule, horse, or just food, human food? And how did he make sure the distance is straight, not curved, or not detoured, or, like a double measured, triple measured, or quadrupled? I don't know. How he measured the distance between Siam and Alexandria. That's a riddle, right? That's a big question. And if that's true, if the distance is correct, then the angle 7.2 degrees is nothing to measure, right? It can just noon Alexandria. When it's noon, the sun is just above the well, right? But at the Alexandria, Siam, or whatever, at the Siam, that's the Siam. But Alexandria, at noon, the angle is 7.2 degrees. He could decide on the 7.2 degrees because the sun would make like 8 degrees, 7.9, 7.8, blah, blah. Then 7.2 is the lowest degree or minimum degree that sun makes the angle with a stick that was protruded from the earth straight, perpendicular, right? So 7.2% degrees is correct. I don't doubt about that, but I wonder how he measured the distance between the Siam and Alexandria. It's 5,000 kilometers, man. 5,000 kilometers. That's a long distance, right? 5,000 stadia. That's a long distance. Anyway, from this article, we learned that Erastothenes coined the term geography, right? And he also calculated the Earth's axial tilt, right? Axial tilt. Circumference. I think it's circumference, but let's find out the exact pronunciation. I majored mechanical engineering, so circumference. Cum has the accent, right? Circumference, exactly.
Circumference.
Circumference. Yeah. 둘레, right? Circumcised means your penis skin is cut off. Cum means you exude your man ejaculation, right? Well, that's it. Have a great Sunday. Bye-bye.